As a trader, identifying high-quality supply and demand zones can often be challenging. Many times, you mark out what seems like a perfect zone, take your trade, and watch price completely violate it. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll be looking at one of the most powerful tools designed to simplify the process by spotting high-quality trading zones, planning precise entries, and improving your overall profitability. This indicator is called the Multi-Timeframe Supply and Demand Indicator by SmrtAlgo. So if you are interested in exploring this powerful tool, kindly hit that like button, also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay informed whenever we make new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, what is this indicator all about? The SmrtAlgo Multi-Timeframe Supply and Demand Indicator is a powerful tool designed to help traders identify key supply and demand zones across multiple timeframes on their charts without switching the chart timeframe. This indicator streamlines higher timeframe analysis by enabling users to adjust timeframe settings directly within the indicator, removing the need to constantly switch between different timeframes. This added flexibility helps traders seamlessly integrate higher timeframe insights into their strategy, improving their precision in spotting ideal entry and exit points. Keep in mind that this is a premium indicator. So to get access, all you have to do is click the link in the description below to visit the SmrtAlgo official website, where you can purchase the right to use this indicator. Now let's go over the features of this indicator. Once you add the indicator to your chart, you will see green and red zones printed by the indicator. The green zones are the demand zones, which represents areas of high buying pressure, while the red zones indicate supply zones, which represents areas of high selling pressure. These zones can be used as strategic trade entry points or profit-taking areas. Traders might go long near demand zones, anticipating upward movement due to buying pressure, or go short near supply zones, where selling pressure could cause prices to drop. These zones also act as logical profit targets, as they often align with key support or resistance levels in the market. The identification of these supply and demand zones forms the basis for spotting potential trade setups, while the multi-timeframe feature enhances the depth of analysis by displaying higher timeframe zones directly on the current chart. This integration allows traders to stay aware of key market levels across various timeframes, helping them make smarter and more strategic trading decisions. Now, let's take a look at the settings and customizations of this indicator. You can click on this gear icon to open the settings. Here on the input section, you can find different settings you can apply to this indicator to suit your trading approach. Starting from the alert setting, this is where you can set alerts to be notified when supply and demand zones are formed or broken. Next, we have the supply and demand setting. Under supply and demand, you have the time frame option. This is where you select the time frame on which you want the indicator to display supply and demand zones. You also have the sensitivity, which controls how responsive the indicator is to market movements to generate supply and demand zones. Smaller value will lead to fewer zones generated on the chart, while a larger value will lead to more zones. The width option here allows you to adjust the size of the zones. A smaller value will result in smaller zones, while a larger value will result in larger zones. The supply and demand color allows you to freely customize the colors of the supply and demand zones to suit your preferences. After that, you get the time frame label, which is the small label that indicates the specific time frame from which the supply and demand zones are displayed. Here you can toggle off and on, adjust the position, size, color, and so on. And when you are satisfied with the settings, just click OK. Now, let's move on to how we can trade profitably with this indicator. To implement the strategy effectively, we will need to add another indicator, which is the SmrtAlgo Pro V3. So I will just go ahead and add it to the chart. The Pro V3 is another powerful indicator created by SmrtAlgo. If you want to learn about the indicator, just click on this link up here to watch a full video about it. Now, the Pro V3 also has many features, but we will only be using the buy and sell signals for this particular strategy. So, I had to disable other features, leaving just the buy and sell signals with the SL and TP levels. So here's how the strategy works. For a bullish setup, we want to see price retest a demand zone generated by the MTF supply and demand indicator. Then we also want to see the Pro V3 indicator, print a buy signal, and also print the SL and TP levels to further validate the signal. When this happens, we just enter a buy position at the recommended price level, set our stop loss at the stop loss level, as printed by the indicator, and our target at TP2. And watching the trade play out, you can see how price pushed up to our target, resulting in a profitable trade. Now let's look at a bearish example. On this chart, you can see that price pushed up to retest this supply zone printed by the MTF supply and demand zone indicator. Then, as price reversed from the supply zone, the Pro V3 indicator printed a sell signal with the SL and TP levels. So what do we do next? We enter a sell trade at the recommended price level, set our stop loss at the stop loss level, and our take profit at TP2. Then, watching the trade play out, you can see how price pushed down from there, eventually hitting our target and resulting in a profitable trade. So this is simply how you can use these two indicators to get quality trade opportunities. If you want to check out these tools, just click the link in the description below to visit the SmrtAlgo official website, where you can purchase the right to use these indicators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay informed whenever we make new videos.